Hey guys, well today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 20 horsepower Briggs and Stratton V-twin engine. This engine is in a Troy-built lawn tractor, so I'm going to show you all how to do the oil change. We will not be changing the filter today, we're just going to do the oil. So the first thing I like to do, especially with these MTDs, is I remove the hood, because as y'all can see, this part here opens, but then this is still here. So we're going to remove the hood, which just take that bolt out, take that one out, and there's one right there on the front. And if your tractor has a hood like this Craftsman here, it just opens, it's no use to do that. But I find you can just, it's easier to work with this MTD hood out the way. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that. Alright, and once you get all your bolts loosened, just disconnect the headlights, which is connected by this plug here. And then you just carefully lift your hood away, because this MTD has a plastic hood and these things break easily. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is, here's our drain plug right here. Now normally I'd have a drip pan or drain pan, whatever you want to call it, under there, but I don't have one with me today, so we're just using the old bucket. So you're just going to remove the little spout and you turn it to the left for this one, and your oil just drains out. There we go. We'll just let all that oil run out. Hold the flashlight. Yeah, so don't know how well the camera picks it up, but there's a little there's this notch in here. And the way these drain plugs work is to turn the oil flow off, you push it back, and you turn it so that the notch locks, or it catches that little tab there, and it stops the oil flow. So to turn it, to let the oil drain, I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to just pull it out, and the oil drains. Not that hard. So we're going to let this drain here, and once it finishes draining, turn the camera back on. Alright, well, all the oil has drained out, so we're going to disable the drain plug so it won't drain the oil anymore by just pushing it in and turning it so it locks, and we'll put the little cap back on it. Alright guys, got a funnel. So now we're just going to add our oil, and of course, and if you have a manual, it should tell you the oil capacity of the engine. I do not have a manual for this particular engine, so we're gonna have to go by feel here. The only numbers I could come up with was for a similar engine, and it's at 64 ounces. So we're just gonna add a little bit at a time and then let it run down to the engine, then check it with the dipstick. Let's see what we've got quarts on here, not ounces. Okay, so we'll just add a little bit at a time. Go ahead and check it. Still needs to run down into the engine a little more. Not quite full yet. Alright, we'll let it run down. Not full yet. Not anywhere near full. I think it'd be pretty safe to just dump the rest in there. I'll probably have to get another bottle. Alright. We're almost there. Get another oil bottle. Now we're going to let it sit a little bit. It seems like it's full, just to be sure. And it's full. So, of course, to finish, you would just reverse whatever steps you took to remove the hood, if you had to remove the hood, but otherwise, you should just be able to start your engine. Alright guys, there it is. Oil change for a Briggs and Stratton 20 horsepower V-twin OHV. Thanks for watching. See everybody later.